So let's do this.
Mabuhay Philippines! Namaste India! Bimbo Corneo Vlogs! Please subscribe to our channel! Like and share! Allah!
Hello, good morning guys. Today we are visiting Siddhivinayak temple, which is located in Mehmedabad. We hired today rickshaw again, and mom, Sanaya,
And Kayon today. So guys, we are leaving our shoes here.
Sanaya.
So this is the rules here.
nanay karna.
It's very important.
So?
ચાર્જ
વાળું જોઈએ છે. શું ચાર્જ છે?
But we have to pay charge here.
10 rupees.
This side is free, but this side
10 rupees.
we have to pay. It's alright. Have for children as well. There is no exemption here.
27.
For children as well, they have to remove. Oh baby, you have to remove. And they don't have socks. Okay guys, we're entering now the temple.
This is, you can see Siddhivinayak Devsan. So this is the entrance, and I think so this is the where people can race. So we are going inside the temple.
Alright.
Oh, this is elephant. Look,
There is entrance going inside here the temple. Oh guys, it's very beautiful here.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look, you can see.
This big elephant.
Yes.
What is this about this elephant?
You see, this is Lord Ganesha. Behind this, they said, you can see. Behind this, there is a statue
Yeah.
for Lord Ganesha.
But what is elephant for?
This
This
is
is
the feature of Lord Ganesha.
Alright. Okay. So we'll go this side.
We'll go this side.
And that is the temple guys. Look.
Look, Sana is going there. This temple is built in 2011. It's
2000.
like so around 10 years this temple built. Basically, this Vinayaka one branch is in Mumbai. What they done, they take the light of Diva, we call, and bring it here and make it the temple here. And this is the biggest structure temple here in Gujarat, we can say. So this is not like mountain. They collect the stone and they make it structure. Look how beautiful. And
How far is this from mega city of Gujarat, Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad 30 kilometer, I think so.
30 kilometers.
28 to 30 kilometers.
So let's see guys, what is this? What is inside of this temple?
अंदर जवानी से.
So guys, we are very close now to this temple,
Siddhivinayak.
Siddhivinayak.
चलो बेबी, come on.
Look guys, oh, it's like, for me it's like mountain. So let's see inside. What is inside?
Look, it's stone.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, look.
look.
I don't know how they am amazed.
So guys, oh, look how huge is this temple. To me it's very different, totally different structure of temple compared to what I've seen outside here. You know, the temple near the Najjad. So we are entering now the temple. Here you are, we are inside now.
It is here said on Tuesday, and there is a chart. If you fill up here,
Alright.
your wishes get filled up.
Okay.
Like it gets succeed. This is Puja Daiba.
Mm.
So let's go upstairs.
Okay,
This
so-
is the way people are going upstairs.
Okay. So guys, we're going up na this temple. It's quite dark here. This temple.
This is like we are
Look how they build this, yeah?
inside the mountain.
Shama, imagine how they build this.
And very clean. Look.
Yeah.
And we feel very cold here.
The architectural of this building is amazing.
Wait, Sanaya.
So now we have to go up again. Look. What you can say, guys, about this temple? I don't know what is upstairs. Where we're going upstairs? Those are the stairs, and they get tired now. Mom get tired. So I think this is the top, the top floor. So let's see what is inside here on the top.
Mom is tired.
Mom is very tired.
Don't do this.
Nina, come on. We are near now. We are near now here. Oh, this one. Look. So guys, we are here now at the top. Ah. Here you are. So, so people are praying here.
Lord Ganesha sitting there.
That is the one.
Yes,
Okay.
Lord Ganesha.
So we have to.
Guys, here people are offering. In this area, they are offering something to Lord Ganesha, whatever they have, because their wish is getting finished. They want to get more wish. So
We're going down now. So sorry guys, camera is not allowed at the top.
yes,
So
but it is very beautiful.
yeah,
Very beautiful. You can see.
they are offering some things or
Like sweet or money, like
or
this.
say thank you for the blessings. So now guys, we're going down and let's see what we can see downstairs.
Mata ako ba yung
It's totally different belief for me. You know, I've grown up as a Christian, and here, this is my first experience in this temple.
Here they can take video.
So guys, as you can see, there are lots of coins here. Shama said if you have wish, you can stick here like this. So your wish will be granted.
This is first floor, guys, and this is Arbuda Devi. They said from Abu. What is that?
Afghanistan, the idols of Ganesha in Afghanistan have been found in a place called Gordes.
Afghanistan.
So yan guys, oh, talagang totally different belief for me compared to Christian. Although Catholic has as well, like what's this? They believe in images, so they have similarity regarding images.
They are offering money here, you can see.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa labas ng huge temple na to. So we got idea now what is inside of this temple. This is I think 3 stories. So nakita na natin kung anong mga nasa loob. And here outside there is a big well. So let's do this. Thank you. So now at least meron tayong natututunan about Hindu's religion. So why Hindu is famous and majority here in India. And now Shama, they are here now at the food court.
So guys, we are here at the canteen. Too many counters here from 1 to 10. Guys, you can see 1 to 10 counter here. And like Gujarati food, there is paratha, Chinese food, South Indian, some snacks, sandwich, burger, pizza, hot drink, cold drink, ice cream, juice, tea if you want hot drink. And like this counter, 10 counter, and we are having ice cream here.
So now you get tired, so now they are having ice cream.
Yeah, because we walk 3 floors up there.
So this is huge property inside.
Yes, and very beautifully managed.
Yeah. So after you see after you visited the temple, now you can have enjoy snacks here inside.
No, and people come from far to get here from morning until evening. So they have facility here. And also I heard here if they want to stay here, they have to pay some cheap amount of money.
You mean
So
overnight?
Overnight.
Okay.
So for that you have to go to office and take permission and book it. So guys, we are exiting this temple now. And we are going home. We will collect our shoe. So hope you like this video guys.
Hope you learned something about Hindu religion.
And there is a history behind that. So please guys, keep watching Bimbo Corneo vlogs. Please like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow us on Insta and Facebook page.
Okay, Hina, thank you.
Thank you.
See you on our next vlog. Bye bye.